Lasermate, eject, operation, channel intro.
Hello fellow YouTubers, WfC Stop Motioner here, and it is finally time for me to re-review Transformers War for Cybertron Siege Ratchet. After procrastinating, I'm finally getting around to this. Now this figure was a Walgreens exclusive, and he's a very sought after Siege figure. And he is a really good one. He is one of my favorites in the line. It's just unfortunate they had to make him so rare, and every Ratchet they've released in this line has been some sort of exclusive. And it's getting really annoying. Anyway, here's his vehicle mode. And it's pretty good. I mean, it's Cybertronian alt mode. So I can kind of forget the feet on the back. They can be like rocket boosters. But the gap here bothers me a little bit, but it's not too bad. And his weapon storage works pretty well. Here he is with the Earthrise Ironhide, who of course did fix this gapping issue by having this extra part on top, but then of course it's parts forming. But then the feet don't work as well on this. So there's that. And here he is with Wheeljack, because these two work together a lot in G1. Cool. Rolling works okay. Again, these are pegged on wheels, but the back ones get a little bit stuck. The front ones roll okay. At least the left front one. See the front here? Got some pretty cool sculpt going on. There's his head in there. So overall, I think that covers his vehicle mode. So now we can get into his medical bay mode. And to start off, you just fold these down like this, actually just more out to the side. Then you detach right here, fold these down, then collapse the panels, fold these out, and you can connect these together. You take this, fold it down, rotate right here, and you just stick this right here, and this right here. And, I mean, you can kind of tell this is just something that they thought, oh, let's just go ahead and stick it in there. It really feels more like a fan mode. But, you know, it doesn't really detract from the figure much. So, I'm okay with it. It's kind of annoying that there's, like, hardly any Autobots you can fit on here. Like, if any at all, I don't even think... Well, Earthrise Cliffjumper might be able to fit on here. Either way, if there's someone laying there, you know, you can fix them and zap them and such, so it's pretty cool. But we won't dwell on this mode too much. So now for his transformation to robot mode. Fairly simple after this. So first, we're just gonna connect these arms back together, because that just makes this part a little bit easier. So you just fold this down. Then you rotate this part, disconnect the legs, fold these down, pull that up, pull the head out, then you just kind of hinge this section or the chest, and there's his robot mode. And it's a great robot mode. I mean, they fairly closely followed this design in the Netflix series, except the back. They kept the back the same as the original Siege Ironhide figure, whereas for the figure they actually gave it a new sculpt, which is really nice. And again, I don't want to associate this one with that terrible series. I want to associate this one with G1. This is my G1 Ratchet. And like I said, it does look very similar to him. He's got some really good sculpt going on. He's got some battle damage going on. Mostly down here, which, you know, makes sense. So then there's lots of things you can do with these. I guess not a whole lot, but there's some things you can do with these attachments. I usually put this on his back, and he can hold his wrench, but generally for displaying him, I stick it right there, rotate it right here, and fold it down just so it's kind of out of the way. Then I can give him his gun. So that's cool. Now yes, he does suffer from hollowness, mainly on the back right here, and here, and here. Like I said, it's mostly on the back, so from the front it doesn't look too bad. So for his articulation, head is on a ball joint. Look up and down a little bit. Can do a full 360. I guess if you really wanted to look down, fold this down, just transform him. Arms can do a full 360. Go up. Rotation right here. Decent elbow bend. Get a hand wrist rotation. Get a full waist swivel. Legs can kick forward that far and back that far. Go out to the side. Rotation right here. Get an okay knee bend. And of course, ankle tilt. So, articulation definitely gets a thumbs up from me. So here he is with Ironhide. And you can see the similarities between them, but it's nice to have them looking different. You know, not just in the head, but like in the chest and shoulders and everything. So that's cool. And then here he is with Earthrise Wheeljack, who I do plan to get around to re-reviewing. Eventually. It will happen. Don't worry. He's one of the taller deluxes in the line. Like, not as tall as Impactor or Ironhide. I forget if he's taller than Spinister or not. So he's a fair size. So I think that pretty much covers him. So we can go in and stick him on the display. Alright, so there's Siege Ratchet with my G1 Autobots. So overall, a really nice figure. Again, I just really wish he hadn't been made an exclusive. It's just wrong, because Ratchet is a very important character that, you know, most collections need. So, in terms of if I recommend him, well, he's going for ridiculous prices on eBay now. If you can somehow find him for an okay price though, then yeah, definitely go for it. Find him 30, 40 something. Maybe 50. I don't know. I don't know if I'd say 50 or not, but at least don't go above 50. Because he's good, but he's not, like, spectacular. Again, it's just Ratchet. You need a Ratchet. And of course, there's the Earthrise one, but Once again, that's an exclusive. And that one's going for quite a bit too, I think. So, that's my re-review for Transformers War for Cybertron Siege Deluxe Class Ratchet. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and God bless.